Welcome to the AllMed PM tutorial. Today, we'll be exploring payments and adjustments within the AllMed PM system. To access payments and adjustments, there are two options available. You can navigate to the per patient view through the database. Simply click on the database, locate the patient, and you'll find the Payments and Adjustments section, allowing you to add transactions for this patient's claims. However, for today's tutorial, we'll focus on using the sidebar, as it offers more advanced features compared to the database view. To begin, please click on Pay to Adjust in the sidebar. Then click Find to display all patients in the database with open claims. You can start typing to quickly find the desired patient or use the search function by entering their last name and first name in the provided fields. Let me now show you some key features within Payments and Adjustments. I'm going to double-click on the first patient. The top left section represents each individual claim or visit. Below that, you'll find the transaction lines. And on the right side of the screen, you'll see detailed information for each transaction. Let's select the last transaction by clicking on it. Suppose we received an EOB for this claim, indicating a payment of $100. To record this, click Add and the system will default to today's date. You can modify the date if needed. Press P for primary, hit Tab key, then P for payment. Enter $100 as the payment amount. Then click Save and Adjust. The transaction is saved and the system automatically opens the next one. Primary and adjustment is automatically selected. You can specify the type as a write-off. Notice that the balance for the patient is $420. Now let's enter $10 and click Save. You'll see the updated patient portion amount. Let's delve into the different payer types available. These include primary, secondary, tertiary, independent such as workers' compensation, patient, and lawyer. In the transactions section, some of these options are self-explanatory. Payment, bill, adjustment, refund, and copay are straightforward. You can also document any necessary notes, send notifications, reassign balances between primary and secondary payers or to the patient, and handle interest rates and filing fees. For adjustments and payments, the type field is customizable and allows you to add specific types as per your record-keeping requirements. For payment methods, you can choose check, credit card, cash, or EBT. You can also add a note to provide explanations or any necessary information. If you have multiple service lines, you can edit the details to specify the payment amounts for each line. Alternatively, you can leave the details unchecked and the total amount will be displayed. The system remembers your selections, so you can easily navigate between options. Now, here is a scenario where you received a $2,100 check from Blue Cross Blue Shield for multiple patients. To record this, click on the check option. Then click Add and enter the necessary details such as the check number, payer Blue Cross Blue Shield, and it's for $2,100. Click Save. Once done, navigate to the primary payer section and search for Blue Cross Blue Shield. You'll see a list of all Blue Cross Blue Shield claims that are still open. Let's assume the first patient on the EOB is Ashley. Double-click on Ashley's name and select the claim mentioned in the EOB. Click Add and proceed using the keyboard for quicker entry. Press Tab, then enter P for primary, P for payment, and specify that it was a check payment. Choose the relevant check from the list and continue with the same process as before. Enter $100 as the payment amount and click Save and Adjust. Then, apply a $10. Save the adjustments. Now, let's move on to another patient. We'll select Rebecca. Click Add and specify that this payment is for the primary payer. You'll notice the running total decreases, and there's now $2,000 left. Save the payment and apply a $10 adjustment as before. At the end of the day, if you review your records and notice that the balances are still not reconciled, it indicates a mistake might have been made unknowingly. To rectify this, click on the check related to the transaction in question, then select View. Review the details and identify the reason for the discrepancy. Make the necessary corrections to fix the error. This feature allows you to catch any mistakes or data entries easily. Please note that this is just a demo, and we don't have electronic payment files available. However, with electronic explanation of benefits (EOBs), you can set up the integration with your clearinghouse. Although your clearinghouse may charge you for this service, there are no extra costs associated with AllMed PM. Once you've set up electronic EOBs, you can log into your clearinghouse, download the file, and upload it into the system by selecting Electronic Payments. The system will guide you through the process, including entering the data and generating a report. For more detailed information on this feature, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be delighted to demonstrate and discuss it further with you. Thank you for watching our tutorial, and we appreciate your time and interest in AllMed PM.